Hi, welcome back to Living Foods 365. I'm Ayana.
And I'm James.
And today we are making something sweet.
Yes, good. As you see, it's going to be sweet. Look at those ripe bananas.
Yes. Are you going to tell us about these bananas shortly?
Soon, absolutely.
Okay, all right. So you guys know that I like to bring you transition to plant-based type of recipes, and for those that have children and the children are used to having cookies and ice cream, dairy ice cream and things like that, I wanted to just bring to you a simple recipe. This recipe has about 5 ingredients. Our main ingredient will be oats. Now these cookies, we're going to make sure that they don't have a lot of preservatives and additives and a whole lot of sugar like cookies that you may buy at the store. They're going to be healthy. They're going to be actually full of fiber and not too sweet.
I'm looking forward to it because this is one of those things that's going to be quick, instant, and we get to partake of it instantly. So I love that part.
Yes, and if you have some ripe bananas laying around that look like this is one of the kind of recipes that's awesome for these kind of bananas, like banana bread, some kind of cookie, because, why, babe?
Well, if you look at these are like very ripe bananas, okay? So let's say you have an unripe banana. Unripe bananas, of course, the composition of the banana, very high, prominent in carbohydrates. However, when you have a ripe one, as you see, this is all spotted, the carbohydrates, which now turned into sugars in the form of glucose and fructose. As before, an unripe banana, you have more starch when you consume it. However, you must make sure that you digest properly, because if you don't really chew the banana, you're going to end up with a lot of flatulence, okay? So we don't want too much flatulence. And as you see, she's starting to dice them up right now.
Yep.
You eat a nice banana in the morning, and it's going to keep you for another 4 hours because it's going to allow you to stay full up until about 4 hours, and it's going to raise your blood sugar very slowly. So because of the fiber. So make sure that we make sure you understand if it's ripe or unripe, especially if you have any complications. You don't want to put too much sugar in your system.
I'm actually going to show a quick banana swirl, as my daughter likes to call it, also today, because we have some frozen as well.
Oh, wonderful.
Okay,
wonderful.
So this is the consistency you would like to have when you smash your bananas. I smashed 2 bananas, and what we're going to do to this is add about a half a cup of this almond butter. Now you can use peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter, any butter you like. We just had this almond butter in our pantry, about a half a cup. So I'm just gonna, and it's really good when it's already kind of nice and smooth like this. You just want like a nice generous amount. Now this actually already has sweetener in it. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt in here just to bring out the sweetness of the banana and that almond butter. And another good ingredient to throw in things when you making something like this is just ground flaxseed. Now I buy the flaxseed whole, but when I ground it up and then jar it and keep it in the refrigerator for things like this, because you don't really want to have your ground flaxseed sitting out too long, because it will go rancid and then you'll just lose all the benefits of a flaxseed, which are very high in fiber and also omega-3 fatty acids. And then I'm going to use some cardamom. You could use cinnamon, nutmeg, whatever spice you like. We're going to just do a little cardamom just for a little different flavor. All right, so I'm just going to give this a little stir here. Have a nice, that smells really good. How's that smell to you, babe?
Oh, it smells wonderful. It smells wonderful. More fiber, right?
Yes, it's really
More
good.
fiber, and of course the daily recommended amount for potassium. All you need is 2 large bananas. 2 large bananas. So
Okay.
this is going to be a healthy dessert, a healthy treat.
Yeah, and it actually could be like a breakfast cookie.
Yes.
Or something like that. Now we're just going to use 2 cups of oats. This is a half a cup that I'm using, so that's 1. And this is 2. And then we're just going to stir this right on up. And this is your cookie right here. All I'm gonna do is throw this in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. And while these are in the oven, we are gonna make our banana swirl after we just get this a little combined here. Now, at this point, if you wanted to add raisins, some vegan chocolate chips, nuts, whatever you like.
Are you using an oven today, or what are you
I'm
going to
use
today?
our air fryer because we have a bake selection on our air fryer. And so while you are actually putting these on the baking pan for me, I'm going to get our bananas ready. And all I'm going to do is put our frozen bananas in our food processor. And I'm going to use a little coconut milk because that makes it a little creamier in here with our frozen bananas. And then you will see what happens after that. All right?
Looking forward to it.
All right. Okay, so all I did was put the frozen bananas in the food processor and let it run. Now this is gonna be the more of a consistency of a soft serve. Now my daughter, she would like to put some almond butter in here. You can put some cinnamon, vanilla. You could put some dates in here just to make it even sweeter. But this is just a simple banana ice cream using frozen bananas and a little bit of the vanilla coconut milk. And so yeah, from here you can add in whatever you like to make it any flavor you like. Add berries to make it like a strawberry or blueberry or chocolate, you know, sauce, whatever. It's up to you. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put this in a bowl and stick it in the freezer while we are waiting for our cookies to finish. All right, so, babe, I have finished up the cookies.
Looks good.
Because you left me.
I did.
And we also have our banana swirl that all I did was put the frozen bananas with just a touch of non-dairy milk. And then I just swirled some of the same almond butter that we used in our cookies in our banana swirl. And as I said, you can put anything you like in here. Berries, nut butters, cinnamon, whatever you like, and then enjoy it.
Yes.
So this is like some of the kind of things that we like to have for dessert. Of course, like I said, with the this is just one simple cookie, which is even can be more like a breakfast cookie.
Yeah.
We do make other cookies where we do use like coconut sugar and a little bit to make them more decadent. But this is just a simple recipe using some of the ingredients that you may have in the house, and you may have a spotted banana and you don't know what to do with it. A lot of people tell me that when they get like this, they throw them away.
I can't believe
And I'm
that.
like, no, don't throw away the spotted banana. So this is just a simple recipe to show you when you see your bananas getting like this, something you can use. So babe, would you like to
I would
taste?
definitely
I'm
like
gonna
to
just go ahead and taste the cookie while you taste.
Tell me what you think. It is good.
I like it. I like that it's still like it got a little crunch on the outside, but it's still a little moist in the inside.
Nice
so
and
it's
soft
not
on the
like
inside.
all like
Okay.
a hard biscuit or anything.
Good. I
like
hope it's
it.
not a biscuit.
And it's not too sweet.
Awesome.
So the girls can have as many as they like, and
Yes.
I wouldn't be upset. No cavities happening.
That is good.
Do you like it with the almond butter?
I love it with the almond butter.
Okay.
And plus that almond butter, plus is has just a little bit of sweet to it. So you didn't even have to add anything to that. Of course, they're ripened bananas. Hey, listen. Wonderful treat, wonderful dessert.
Yep.
Like you said, the girls can have them. And this is something that people might want to consider as an alternative
Right.
to maybe too much dairy. But
Yeah.
I think it's wonderful.
Yeah.
I think it's
Exactly. All right. Well, I hope that you guys like this video. Again,
Yes.
we always want to try to bring you some transition to plant-based recipes. Also, I really want to bring you recipes using ingredients you have in the house. You have oats in the house. I know you do, and you probably have some spotted bananas laying around that you don't know what to do with.
Before you throw them away.
Before you throw them away. So just go ahead and peel these, throw them in the freezer, and use them in a smoothie. You use them to make some ice cream, make some banana bread, make some cookies. So don't throw away your spotted bananas, and you can use your oats for more things than oatmeal. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to the channel so I can know that you would love for me to bring you more videos like this. Also, comment below. We would love to hear from you. We would love to know what toppings or what things you would mix in your banana ice cream, and also tell me if you tried these cookies and if you like them. So please let me know how you like this video, how you like this recipe, and until next time, remember, healthy habits equals a healthy lifestyle. Take care.